What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Dylan. Today I've got an all new unboxing for you guys. We're going to be unboxing the Oculus Go. Let's get this unboxing started. As you guys can see here, we've got the Oculus Go. Before we get started, as you can see, we have the Oculus all-in-one virtual reality headset. What I did pick up is the 32 gig. So here's the Oculus Go. We've got a wireless controller and a little welcome box. Included, we've got the headset, the controller, a lanyard, eyeglass spacer, charger and cable, AA battery, and a lens cloth. Here's your power brick. Here is your eyeglass spacer. Here's your lanyard, AA batteries, and that is it. Next, we've got the Oculus. Grab your phone and get started. Download the Oculus app to your mobile phone. So I'm gonna go to the App Store. So I now have the Oculus app. Continue with Facebook. So I pretty much just installed the app. I connected it with my Facebook, and now I am ready to go. It says here, turn on your Oculus. Press and hold the power button until the status light turns on. Okay, not sure if you guys heard that, but it did make a sound. You can see the status light is now on. Hit continue. Plug in your Oculus. And to plug it in, we're going to plug it in from the side. Searching for your Oculus Go and pairing it with my headset. Searching for Wi-Fi networks. While that sets up, I'm just going to kind of give you an overview on the Oculus Go. This is the world's first standalone VR headset, and it is made by Facebook, who now owns Oculus. Now the resolution in this bad boy, we've got a 2560 by 1440, which is 538 ppi on a 5.5 inch. Now this is amazing. The resolution on this is much better than the resolution you will find on the Oculus Rift and the HTC Vive. It's got a fast switch LCD display screen. Now it's very affordable. We've got this at $199 for 32 gig, which is the one that I picked up, and you've got $249 for a 64 gig. We've got a built-in audio and an integrated microphone that allows for maximum immersion, and it works with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 821 chip, which is pretty awesome. You've got a 2.5 hour battery life on this baby. Now we can put the battery into the controller. Here we go. Battery goes this way. Then we close that. And it says, which hand do you use for your controller? I'm a right-handed, so I'm gonna select right. And payment methods. All right guys, I've gone ahead and added my credit card. Health and safety, let's walk through until this is done. Now we acknowledge. All right, here we go. Your headset is updating. So guys, that's pretty much it. Here we have the Oculus Go. As I mentioned to you guys, we do have a lanyard that comes with it. So you want to take off the cover, which is quite simple. You're going to bring this through here first. Drop the lanyard. And then let's close it back up. My thoughts of this, guys, is I love it. I'm gonna test it out. I'll probably do a follow-up review on this. I'm gonna download some games and see what it's like. At a price starting at $199, this is amazing. Having a standalone device like this, I'm excited to see what it can do, and I'm gonna bring you guys in this journey. Anyway guys, that's it for my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed, and check out for a follow-up review soon.